This is a MacBook Air 1466 common model. This laptop has come to me for repair. Someone is already broken the display battery connector, and let's see what happened. What ampere is taken when we on DC supply. It's on. It's powered on. See, fan is also spinning, taking 500-600 amp, but after power on there is no display. This is a no display issue in this 1466. Let's open and check what is the issue and which signal or which voltage is missing. Let's open the board. We repair this board. There is a 2-3 tiny components damaged. We replace this tiny component with our donor boards. This is our all donors MacBook motherboards. We repair this board. Now let's check. Now board is on, power is on, fan is also spin. See, fan spinning, and board is on. Before is on and no display, and now it is taken 500, 700, 400 amp. And see, we connect our pen drive also. If pen drive blue light is glowed, then our display is coming. Yes, our display is coming now. This case study of MacBook Air is now complete. Already trying to repair someone, but we repaired. Thank you.